Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to send money from PayPal to Binance in 2025 fast and easy. Just a disclaimer, PayPal and Binance don't directly integrate, so you can really link PayPal as a payment method inside Binance. But you can transfer funds directly using few simple steps. The process involves either P2P trading or using an exchange platform in between. Alright, so let's get started. So method 1. Use Binance P2P marketplace. That means peer-to-peer. Lets you buy crypto from sellers who accept PayPal. So log into your Binance account, open the Binance application or website. So go to P2P trading. Once you're in here, select your crypto. Next up, filter payment methods. Basically tap filter on the funnel icon. Under payments methods, select PayPal. And choose your seller. That would be this something right here. Next up, enter amount and place order. You can buy via USDT or choose your token and send money via PayPal for step 7. The seller provides their PayPal email. Open your PayPal application and tap send money. So send as friends and family if allowed. This is actually cheaper sometimes. And basically mark as paid. Wait for crypto release, and that's it. You have successfully buy crypto using PayPal on your Binance account. Step 2. Use an exchange platform in between. So basically send PayPal funds to another exchange. Choose an exchange that accepts PayPal deposits, something like Coinbase, and buy your crypto in there. Transfer your crypto to Binance from wallet to deposit, and that's it. Method 3. Use a crypto-friendly card linked to PayPal. So for this one, you have to spend your PayPal balance in your crypto-friendly Visa or MasterCard. Important tips for you guys is that only trade with trusted P2P sellers. Double check your payment details and keep screenshots of transactions. Do not send PayPal payments as goods and services unless the seller requests it. Transfer random social media sellers offering cheap crypto deals. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.